I have actually Mr. Carson with us. Hey, look at this truck. Tell us a little bit about this truck.
Well, this is a Cybertruck dual motor foundation series. It runs after tax about 108 grand, and batteries will last about 500 to a million miles.
What do you think?
500,000.
What do you think of the ride, the suspension?
The ride's like a Cadillac, like a Jaguar. It's like a luxury vehicle. It's extremely smooth. Can't feel any of the bumps on the road.
I'll trade you my Cadillac for the truck.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you.